Okay, so I am so ready to put these new panel clamps to work. I have had these piles of pre-sized wood for extra cutting boards sitting around waiting to make some bigger boards. And with the holidays and gift-giving season coming, I am going to quickly be able to glue these sticks of walnut into some panels. This is my first setup with these new SpeTool panel bar clamps, and I can just tell the only thing I'm unhappy with right now is that I wish I had more than two of them. These clamps, two sides, top and bottom, they fold over my panel, and in this case, these walnut boards that I had been literally laying on my workbench for probably 6 months. And were very warped. The way I might have used to have to do it, where I would take a clamp, put a caul on it, and then clamp it down to flatten out the ends. The SpeTool does that all at once. Right? So the panel lays on the bottom bar, which I put a little tape in there to try and keep it from glued. It's going to break my heart when these get dirty. Then you put in this pin to hold the far end, and then you turn this is the clamp, it pushes this piece against it, clamps the panel against the pin, and locks down the top, holding everything in place at once. So these two clamps probably would have been, I might have needed a third one for a panel this size, but I wouldn't have normally needed these on the end, except for these pieces were so warped. So this was a good test. I'm just hoping there's a salvageable board that'll come out of this. I think there is. SpeTool, these are awesome. Where are the pins we took out of the ends? Okay. There.